I am feeling good tonight.
What? Full time? Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to do.
I am feeling good tonight. I know you feel it.
What? Full time? You know you can be prosecuted for that?
I'm gonna show you I'ma give it to you.
What? Full time? Jesus is Lord.
I don't need a win.